If you've been experiencing tingling in your feet, a burning sensation in your legs, numbness in your hands, or that uncomfortable nerve irritation that somehow feels worse when night falls, then this message is extremely important for you. Because what most people don't realize is this: your body does not repair nerves equally throughout the day. There is actually a prime window for nerve healing, and that window happens while you sleep. At night, your body begins to shift. Inflammation starts to decrease. Blood flow redistributes itself. Your nervous system transitions out of high alert mode and into repair mode. This is when healing is supposed to happen. But here's the problem. Most people go to bed in a condition that completely blocks this natural repair process. Their body is tense, their circulation is sluggish, their stress levels are still high, their blood sugar is unstable, and as a result, the very system that is designed to heal them stays stuck. Tonight, I'm going to show you how to change that. I'm going to guide you step by step to create the right internal environment so your nerves actually have the opportunity to recover, and I want you to follow along with me, because this is not just something you listen to, this is something you feel in real time. First, understand this simple truth. Nerves are not just wires sending signals, they are living tissue. And like all living tissue, they require very specific conditions to function and repair properly. They need oxygen, nutrients, stable blood flow, protection from inflammation, calm, balanced electrical signaling. If even one of these is off, healing slows down. If multiple factors are off, healing can almost stop completely. That's why two people with the same diagnosis can have completely different outcomes. One improves, the other stays stuck. And the difference is not always the diagnosis. It's the environment inside the body, especially at night. Let's make this interactive. Right now, I want you to do something simple. Take one foot and gently rub the bottom of it. Do that for about 10 seconds. Don't rush it. Just notice what you feel. Is it dull, tingling, extra sensitive, slightly numb, or maybe uneven? Now stop and switch to the other foot. Do the same thing. Compare the sensation. For many people, one side feels different than the other. And that's important because it tells you something about your nerve signaling and circulation. This is not something to fear. This is information. And the good news is this is something we can improve. Think of nerve healing like road repair. Imagine your nerves like roads. Now imagine a repair crew trying to fix those roads at night. But what happens if traffic is still rushing through? The ground is unstable, there's chaos and noise everywhere. The repair crew can't do their job. That's exactly what happens in your body. Your job is simple. Create the right environment so the repair process can actually happen. Step 1, improve circulation. Let's start with blood flow, because without circulation, nothing else works. If your feet are cold, if blood flow is sluggish, your nerves are not getting the oxygen they need, and without oxygen, repair slows down dramatically. So here's what I want you to do. Sit on the edge of your bed. Now begin ankle pumps. Point your toes forward, then pull them back towards you. Do this slowly. Feel your calf muscles activate. Those muscles are incredibly important. They act like a second heart. Every time they contract, they help push blood back through your system. This improves circulation, especially to the lower nerves. Do this for 30 seconds. Now add small ankle circles. 10 circles in one direction, then 10 in the other. What you're doing here is waking up microcirculation, and this matters more than most people realize, because nerves are extremely sensitive to oxygen supply. Even a small improvement in blood flow can create noticeable changes in sensation. Now check again. Go ahead and rub the bottom of your feet again, just for 5-10 seconds. Notice anything different? Many people feel more warmth, more sensitivity, or better awareness. That's a good sign because better circulation means better delivery of nutrients and oxygen, and that means better conditions for repair. Step 2, calm the nervous system. Now let's talk about something just as important, your stress response, because your nerves cannot heal. If your body thinks it's under threat, when you're stressed, stress hormones rise. Nerve signals become overactive. Muscles tighten. Sensitivity increases. This is why symptoms like tingling or burning feel worse at night. Your body is still in fight or flight mode, so we need to change that. Simple breathing technique. Try this with me. Breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. Now exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. Let's do that again. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do this 5 times. What you're doing is shifting your body into the parasympathetic state. This is your rest and repair system. This system activates. Your heart rate slows. Muscles relax, circulation balances, healing processes begin. Enhance the effect. On your exhale, imagine you're gently fogging up a mirror. Slow, controlled, relaxed. That long exhale is a powerful signal to your brain you are safe, and safety is what allows healing. Release hidden tension. While you're breathing, check your body, relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw, let your tongue rest. These areas are directly connected to your stress response. Most people go to bed still holding tension, and tension sends a signal of danger to your nervous system. Relaxation sends a signal of safety, and safety is what allows repair. Step 3, support nerve nutrition. Now let's talk about internal support, because your nerves also depend on nutrients. Each nerve is wrapped in a protective layer called the myelin sheath. Think of it like insulation around a wire. When this insulation is damaged or stressed, signals become sharp, burning, irregular. Certain nutrients help support this system. For example, B vitamins, especially B1 and B12, support nerve energy and signal transmission. Magnesium helps calm overactive nerves and relax surrounding muscles. Alpha-lipoic acid supports antioxidant activity and protects nerve cells. These are not magic cures, but they support the biology your nerves rely on. What blocks healing the most? Now here's something many people overlook: inflammation and blood sugar spikes at night. If you eat heavy meals late, especially sugary or refined foods, your blood sugar rises, inflammation increases, and nerve irritation becomes worse. This is why symptoms often feel stronger at night, not because you're imagining it, but because your internal chemistry is changing. Simple rule: finish eating 2-3 hours before bed. Keep your last meal light. Avoid sugary foods, heavy carbs, processed snacks. This allows your body to shift from digestion into repair mode. Another quick check. Press your thumb into the arch of your foot. Hold for 5 seconds. Release. Now do it again. Notice, is it sharp, dull, balanced? If it feels overly sensitive, it may indicate irritation or inflammation. If it feels dull, it may indicate reduced signaling. Now repeat this after. Ankle pumps, breathing. Many people notice improvement, more warmth, better sensation. That's your body responding. What happens during sleep? Now let's understand why all this matters. During deep sleep, your body activates powerful repair systems. Growth factors are released. Cells begin rebuilding. Your brain and nervous system activate a cleanup process. Waste products are cleared. Inflammation decreases. Tissues restore. This is why poor sleep makes nerve symptoms worse. Less sleep, less repair. And interrupted sleep prevents full recovery cycles. Your night routine. Let's simplify everything. Here's your nightly routine. Ankle pumps 30 seconds. Optional ankle circles. Deep breathing 5 rounds. Longer exhale than inhale. Eat earlier. Finish meals 2-3 hours before bed. Support nutrition if appropriate. Warmth. Keep feet warm with socks or warm water. Why temperature matters. Warmth increases circulation. Cold restricts it. If your feet are cold at night, blood flow is reduced. Warmth helps blood vessels open. This improves oxygen delivery to nerves. Even simple warm socks can help. The most important factor, consistency. Nerve healing is not instant. It takes time. But nerves do respond to the environment. One night may bring slight improvement, but consistency creates real change. You're not forcing healing, you're allowing it. Final reminder: if you experience severe numbness, sudden weakness, loss of balance, rapid worsening symptoms, please consult a qualified professional. Closing message: your nerves are not broken beyond repair. They are living tissue, and living tissue responds when conditions improve. Tonight, you're giving your body better circulation, calm signaling, proper support. You are no longer working against your body. You are working with it. And remember this: healing is not random. Healing follows physiology. I truly hope this helped you. Wishing you strong health, peaceful sleep, and recovery for you and your loved ones. If you found this valuable, share your experience. And most importantly, make it a great day.